Hello everyone, welcome back to another helpful tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Telegram profile picture on your PC using Telegram Desktop. Updating your profile photo is quick and easy, and you can do it in just a few steps. First, open Telegram Desktop on your computer. Click the three-line menu in the top left corner, then click Settings. At the top of the Settings page, you'll see your current profile picture. Click on your profile picture, then choose Edit or Set New Photo. A file selection window will open. Browse your computer and select the image that you want to use as your new Telegram profile picture. After selecting the image, Telegram may allow you to crop or adjust the photo. Position the image the way you want it to appear, then click Save or Done to confirm the changes. Your new profile picture will be updated immediately and will be visible to other Telegram users based on your privacy settings. If you ever want to change it again, simply repeat the same steps. Keeping a clear and updated profile picture makes it easier for friends, family, and colleagues to recognize your account on Telegram. That's how you can change your Telegram profile picture on PC using Telegram Desktop. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Telegram Desktop tips and guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.